Hi, welcome to the Peter Rabbit remodel that we're doing. As you can see, significant differences have occurred in here. We've removed all these beams, the decorative beams, all the supports that were across supporting those beams, as well as opening up the kitchen. In the kitchen, we're going to gain 250 to 300 square feet by relocating the pantry, the laundry room, mud room to a different part of the house. So you can see in here, we still have some plumbing and electrical to deal with, which our trades will come in a little bit later once we start doing our framing and things to relocate all of this equipment. We do need to leave the air handler up in this space. And because of that, we are also going to make this kitchen ceiling flat. And when we do so, we're going to move the center of the kitchen in line with this ridge up here, the center on the wall in the back. And the new kitchen will have 2 large islands. It's going to be a pretty cool layout. And as you walk back here, you'll see where our new mud room and pantry and laundry room will be located. So back here, we're going to come into this space. We'll throw some walls up in here. Got a laundry room up in the front. You're going to have a pantry and then a mudroom space right here. As we move back through the house some more, you can see some other changes that we've had down this hallway. It used to be all shiplap. It will eventually be re-sheetrocked and lined with cabinets down this side with a new access point this way to the garage. This will be our entrance into this area. Coming back here, we've taken out sheetrock and obviously the floor, so we can identify some of the structural components in the walls and the ceilings to make sure we can relocate some walls as necessary. This wall is load bearing, as well as this area here. We got a beam that goes across the ceiling here, which is carrying the floor joists coming out here for the porch above. And if we go upstairs, 2 bedrooms up here, this whole area is changing. There was a big wall of cabinets in here, set up kind of like an office space, and bedroom, bathroom, closet. We're going to pull this wall forward and gain some space that way in that bedroom, make the walk-in closet bigger, a better bathroom also. On this side, similar situation. We've taken it down to studs where we need to. Bathroom, this was a closet. We're going to change this area up, move out into the porch a little bit. We'll take some space from there and make this space bigger. If you look at this wall here, there used to be a fireplace. It was a masonry fireplace. It had a beam going across to support the ceiling beams as well. All that came out. This will be a whole new look. They're going to do a suspended fireplace lid. It'll be open on 3 sides. Pretty cool. Coming down this way into the master bedroom, they're going to straighten this wall out. This used to be a little cabinet in this space here with a jog in the hallway. We've taken that wall out. This bathroom is going to move over there to a new powder. We're going to take this space and use it for the master closet. If you come around the corner here, master bedroom, we've got some pretty good plans going on in here too. I won't share all of them, but we will make the master bathroom a little bit bigger by pulling this wall forward. We'll have to support that beam in the process, so this wall has not been removed yet. In the bathroom, we're looking to push some walls back, as well as in the closet. Shower is supposed to move. Closet's gonna get bigger going that direction. As we come back here into this back bedroom, we demoed the sheetrock, took the shelves, the cabinets, the bathroom out. This space is gonna get reconfigured as well. The bathroom's gonna move over that direction. The rest of this will become closet. It'll be more, we'll gain more space by using this dead area that was just kind of a foyer to the bathroom and the closet. Later, we're also going to, in the corner back over here, we're gonna bring some conduit over for our automation for a future addition outside. If you look in this space behind the guys that are hanging out, this is the work crew. They're stripping all the glue off the floor. This was a little library space. We're gonna widen the walls. We're gonna keep the ceiling detail, and this will become a music room. Come back out this way in the entry. If you remember, all this used to be brick columns in here. Those are gone. This space over here will become kind of a speakeasy bar area for gatherings. Thanks for coming out and walking through the Peter Rabbit house. See you next time.